Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn a new sound. Okay, we know what to do now. It's me first, then you copy. Okay, so the sound is D, D, D. Good job. And you have to make your mouth like this and say D, D. Good. Now these are the pictures that begin with the D sound. Ready? Me first. D, dog. D, doll. D, date. This is a fruit. D, dinosaur. I know you like that one. Right. So here is our D sound, and the letter is D, but we say the sound D. Okay, so D when you see this side, dog when you see this side. Okay, are you ready? Go. Dog. D. D. Dog. One more time. What's it going to be? D. Good. So we have our D sound and we're going to put it in with the cards. Now I wonder where it's going to be. Oh, can you remember the sounds? Do you want me to have a go first? Ready? Me first then. Ready? Ah. K. Gotcha. And what is it? D. Okay, your turn. Ready? Ready, steady, go. Ah. K. Gotcha. What is it? D. Well done. Fabulous job. Good practicing. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen with you. And you can see the D sound here. And it is another curly K sound. It starts like a curly K. So put your magic finger in the air, put it on the blue dot, and we're going to come round like a curly K. Watch me. Round like a curly K. And then come up. Keep going all the way to the top this time. And down to the red dot. That's a little bit tricky, that one, isn't it? Okay, watch me. Put your magic finger in the air. Round like a curly K. Keep coming round. All the way up. Keep going up, 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 up. Down and flick at the end. Well done, okay? Watch me here. Round like a curly K. Keep going all the way to the top. Down and flick at the bottom. Well done. Maybe you can have a go at doing that, okay? With your finger or with your whiteboard and pen. Ready? Round like a curly K. Keep going round. Keep going up, 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 up. Down and flick at the bottom. Good job, well done. And Red wants to make a word with you. What sounds are we going to blend together today, Red? Oh, Red, can you say Red? Red, there he is, hello. Okay, Red, it's me first, okay? I'm going to blend sounds. Let's see. D, A, D. D, A, D. Oh, you know it? Yes, he got it. What is it? Dad. That's right. Okay, me first. D, A, D, dad. Dad. Well done. Your turn, okay? Okay, go on then. D, A, G. D, A, G. Dog. Dog. Did you get that? Well done. Good job. Me first. Dog. 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 Good. So the sound we have been learning today, everyone, is the D sound. And keep practicing, and I will see you soon for a new sound. Bye.